Money. More specifically, where Guam Memorial Hospital stands financially was the topic of this morning's discussion during GMH's presentation to the legislature. As we have reported, GMH has been battling financial ailments for quite some time. GMH Administrator Joseph Verga and his wingman Chief Financial Officer Alan Ulrich have instituted the ACES Plus Qs initiative in an attempt to alleviate the financial pains.
We spent an hour just going over the current state of finances, progress we've made to improve business practices at the hospital, and then some other challenges that we've recently encountered with the computerization system, which is going to cause us to really take a step back.
Funding shortfalls and problems with parking were also some of the topics brought to the table.
You'll see a reduction in debt because of the compact impact funds. You will also see a positive, for example, bottom line positive flow, a positive cash flow and better financials this month, but that's probably more of a blip on the screen related to some revenues that were anticipated.
The revenues Verga speaks about are revenues received from GovGuam agencies and says GMH is still owed a significant amount by GovGuam agencies. Verga says GMH is making a real effort to collect money owed to the hospital and has an RFP for collections.
We've recently started a billing improvement initiative with public health to try to move those bills along again. So really, this is, the billing and collections piece is a complex issue, and, but we're moving along in the right direction.
Verga says he will be discussing with the hospital board the option of offering a limited time incentive to patients who owe GMH. The incentive would give the patient an opportunity to pay a reduced amount of their bill in one payment, thus clearing their debt. GMH is in the process of looking at other expense reductions, compensation models, and alternate models that will move GMH forward. Meanwhile, Verga gave an update on the parking situation.
By May, we're planning to go from 483 parking spaces to 548 parking spaces. And by August, we intend to increase that to, I believe, 578.
That is an additional 90 parking stalls on the grounds of GMH. The management of the parking lot will include paid parking to generate revenue for additional improvements to the surrounding area, and for the long-term goal to construct a permanent parking structure. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Tovis.